Okay guys, here is my harvest mantle. The requirements were you had to include wheat. There's wheat there. There's some wheat. And there's some more wheat. And then have a sign. And I have gather. Now she also asked for to put a collection up. These are my pumpkins. I love these. I collected these. This is my collection. So here is a full shot of my mantle. I like the orangey colors. I like the traditional colors rather for fall. So I really like my fireplace mantle this year. It came out so beautiful for the fall. I'm going to stand back and try to include all of it in for you guys. Excuse the shakiness. My hands are not the best today. But here is a full shot of my mantle. I hope you guys enjoyed my short video. And if you like it, guys, give me a thumbs up, comment, and share. You know what to do, guys. And also, if you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please hit that subscribe button down below. And next to it, you see a bell. Click that bell. That bell is a notification bell. And that bell will let you know every time I upload a video. And also, guys, follow me on my social media accounts. They should be listed below on the screen, as well as in the description down below. So guys, as always, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching, and you guys be blessed.